What's good, y'all? It's Danny, Team Unnecessary all day, and this is my bike check. Alright, first off, I got the King Butthead KHE bars. Cirrus, obviously. Stolen grips are pretty good, by the way. I got my Eastern Nitrous trap stem. Yeah, trap. I got the monster sticker on there, you can't really see it. Alright. My Eastern Ace of Spades frame. It's like 08 or 09. I'm not sure. Alright. My Eastern cranks came with the bike. Everything on here is custom except for the cranks, of course. My frame is like full 130 chromoly. And yeah, I got the Eastern Medusa Light right here. Alright. I got the Sunday Aaron Ross fork, the Odyssey Pro. On the back, I got my Shadow Stun back rim and the Shadow Raptor hub, the 9-tooth driver in the back. What else? My Odyssey Quadrant rim, pretty fresh. The Aaron Ross Odyssey tire. The Sunday has a keyboard, you can tell, sort of. What else? Oh, the animal seat strip, matching my bike pretty well. The Stephen Hamilton animal pedals, and last but not least, the animal butcher peg. You can see it. Try to get under there. If it's not worn away somewhere, yeah, you can kind of see the bird right there. Alright. That's all, yo. My bike. Here, let me try and see if I could give you the Raptor sound. That's my bike. Any questions or anything, just hit me up. You know what I mean? Alright, Danny from Team Unnecessary. All day.